Here we are at the Redwood Hyperion Suites in Grants Pass. This is one of their king garden rooms. You can see it's quite large. Wouldn't this be wonderful to have a room this size on a cruise ship? It always amazes me the difference between cabins and hotel rooms. Oh well. So you can see here we've got a nice, little table with a couple of chairs. You've got a couple of end tables here. Well, just one with, oh, look at that, a Bible, just in case you need reading material. And an empty drawer, and then a little area in the middle where you can put things. There is a plug on this lamp. And, of course, your ever popular. Does anyone really use those anymore? And then the air conditioner over here and the view of the outside. This is the garden we have the view of. It's really like just a very small area, but it's kind of pretty. Anyway, we have a TV. We have a nice dresser with, lots of drawers. Even more drawers. And down here, there's, oh, look, more drawers. Place to put the luggage. A nice desk with an office chair and a phone, so you can make all those important business calls. Some more outlets here. And then the outlet on the lamp as well is standard. Microwave. Good sized refrigerator that I've already put stuff in, so just ignore it. Luckily, it's almost the same color as the fridge. But you can see this is a good sized refrigerator. Anyway, then we have this lovely marble area with a coffee maker and the ice bucket and all those fun things. And then we move into the bathroom area. We have a double sink, nice marble. Hi. And lots of storage there if you need it, although I don't usually use that kind of storage. And then this is their closet, which is not too bad. Then you can move into the shower and toilet with all the things you expect from a shower and a toilet. And it's a regular, everyday, nothing crazy kind of bath fixtures, although those are kind of pretty. No jets on the tub, but it is sculpted for more comfort, I'm sure. Anyway, that is the Hyperion Redwood Suites King Garden View room. Oh, I should probably show you the garden, shouldn't I? All right, we'll go out there. And you can see we also have a lovely fan, just in case you need some air movement in here, aside from the actual air movement you get from the air conditioner. This is the garden out here. So let's see. It's not bad. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There we go. It's got some pretty stuff. There's a pool over there. It's, it's a nice property, really, considering. Okay? So Lucy signing off.